With one tool called Wireshark, you can see every packet your computer sends and receives. This is how network engineers troubleshoot network-related issues. Here on the right-hand side, I've got Wireshark. On the left-hand side, I've got Wikipedia. My plan is to browse Wikipedia and capture what's going on in the background. To start off, I want to capture this first interface, which is Wi-Fi interface. When you click on this interface, you try to stop it immediately because it will start capturing packets right away. Just watch me do this. Stop it immediately. As you can see, packets are already arriving. But I want to capture packets related to Wikipedia, so I have stopped it. Now what I'm going to do, you go to this icon, start capturing packets. Let me click on it. I'm going to continue without saving what we have here. Immediately, I will visit Wikipedia and see the packets arrive. Let me say continue. Immediately, I visit Wikipedia. I can visit, click more icons or more tabs. You can see the packets arriving in Wireshark. Now we are done. We can stop it by clicking this red icon. The capturing has stopped. As this is our first traffic capture, let us go on and highlight a couple of things. Here we can see the time when the capturing took place. We can see the source IPs. We can see the destination IPs, then the protocols. On the right-hand side, you can see info, which is more details about the packets. Now, there are some basic things you could do from this tool. Let's try the basic filters. Now, let us try some basic things and start by, first of all, filtering. You can filter only UDP protocols. You hit enter. Here you can see UDP protocols. At the same time, you can print, or if you wanted to see only TCP, you can type TCP and view only TCP protocols. You might want to see only DNS queries. That is easy. You can use this command. Inside a quote, you can type the host. When you hit enter, you are going to see only DNS requests. As you can see, here we have only Wikipedia. So this is how you can easily filter some basic stuff when you are using Wireshark. Like I said, this is our first installment of this tutorial. As time goes on, we are going to dig deeper. I hope this introduction has been helpful. Can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like and to share? Thank you.